In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your video vertical in Shotcut. If you're starting with a standard widescreen clip, it's likely in a 16:9 aspect ratio. To turn that into a vertical format for platforms like Shorts or Reels, we'll crop the sides and keep the center of your video. You can always reposition or animate later, but for now, we'll focus on a clean, straightforward setup that gets your frame vertical and filled. Begin by selecting your video in the timeline so that Shotcut knows which clip you're working with. Then head up to the Settings menu and choose Video Mode. Scroll all the way down to the Custom section and click Add. This is where you define the frame dimensions and aspect ratio of your project. Since a vertical version of 16:9 is 9:16, set the width field to 9 and the height field to 16, then confirm with OK. You're not entering pixel dimensions here, just the ratio, so Shotcut understands the shape of the frame you want. You'll immediately notice the project canvas flips to a vertical orientation. That's the container your video will sit in. However, your actual clip is still horizontal, so it will appear letterboxed or not filling the frame yet. The next step is to resize the clip to match the new vertical canvas. Click the video clip again to make sure it's selected, then open the Filters panel and choose Add Filter. In the search bar, type size, position, and rotate, and apply that filter. This tool lets you scale, move, and rotate your clip precisely inside the project frame. With the filter active, use the on-screen corner handles to scale the video up so it fills the vertical frame from top to bottom. Drag from a corner, such as the top left or bottom right, to keep the scaling uniform. As you enlarge the clip, the sides of the original widescreen video will crop away, leaving the center in view. Adjust until the subject is framed the way you want, filling the entire vertical canvas without black bars. If needed, you can nudge the clip left or right within the filter controls to make sure the most important part of the shot stays centered. That's it. Your video is now vertical. You've changed the project aspect ratio to 9:16 and used the size, position, and rotate filter to scale the clip so it fits perfectly. It's a quick, reliable way to repurpose widescreen footage for vertical platforms while keeping the focus on the center of your scene. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more straightforward editing tips. See you in the next one.